Hi children, in this class we have to discuss about properties of addition. Properties of additions. Additions have some properties. Okay. Properties of addition. The first one is order property of addition. Order property of addition means the sum of two numbers is same if we change the order of the numbers. The sum of two numbers is same if we change the order of the numbers. That means, look at the example. If we take two numbers, simply take single digit numbers 3 and 5. What is the sum of these two numbers? 3 plus 5 is 8. And if we change this order, that means 5 plus 3 is also, what is the answer? 5 plus 3 is also 8. That means we change the order here. Here in the first we write 3 plus 5. The answer is 8. We change the order and write 5 plus 3. That is also 8. That means if the order of the number is changed, the sum remains same. The sum remains same. 3 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. This is order property of addition. This is order property of addition. Suppose take larger numbers here, okay? $3,765, 2,538, 2,538. Let us see what is the sum, okay? Write the columns first, write the places first. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. First add ones column. 5 plus 8 is 13. Write 3 in ones column and carry forward this 1 to tens column. Add tens column. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 means write 0 in tens column and carry forward this 1 to hundreds column. Now add hundreds column. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. Again we got 13. That means 1 as carry forward to thousands place and 3 under hundreds column. Now add thousands place. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. We got the answer 6,303. Now let us see what happens if we change the order of the numbers. Okay, let us see if we change the order of the number. What happens if we change the order of the numbers? Here we write the first number as 3,765 and second number as 2,538. Here I write first number as 2,538. 2,538 and the second number as 3,765. 3,765. Take place, write the places, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Add ones place. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 means take 1 as carry forward and write 3 in ones column. Next write add tens column. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 means take 1 as carry forward in hundreds column and 0 under tens column. Now add hundreds column. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. In 13, take 1 as carry forward in thousands place and take 3 under hundreds column. Now add thousands column. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Here also we got 6303. That means if we change the order of the number, the sum will remain same. Here we take 3765 as first number. In this we take 3765 as second number. The sum will remain same. This is known as order property of addition. This is called order property of addition. Once again I will explain what is order property of addition. Order property of addition means if we change the order of the numbers, the sum will remain same. Children, now we have to discuss about grouping property of addition. We have to discuss about grouping property of addition. While we adding 3 or more numbers, the numbers can be grouped in any way, the sum remains the same. Once again I read this property. Look at open our course book page number 32. There is grouping property of addition is there. Once read that. While adding 3 or more numbers, the numbers can be grouped in any way. The sum remains the same. Okay. Let us see about this. Okay. Take 3 numbers. Take 3 single digit numbers. Okay. Let's say as 6, 3, 2. If we have to add these 3 numbers, 3 plus 6 plus 3 plus 2. If we group 6 plus 3 first and then add to this, what is the answer? First add 6 plus 3. The answer is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. We got 11 here. If we group these numbers in different way, that means 6 plus 3 plus 2. That means now we group 3 plus 2 now. 3 plus 3 and 2. We grouped 3 and 2. Here we grouped 6 and 3 here. Here we grouped 3 and 2. So first add these 2 numbers. 3 plus 2 is 5. And 6 plus 5 is 11. We got the same answer. That means if we group the 3 numbers in any way, the answer is same. Okay, look here one example is there and we discuss about that. We can group and add these numbers in 3 different ways as shown. Okay, let us see the examples. 378 plus 175. Group these 2 numbers. Plus 456. Okay, then 456 plus 378. Group these 2 numbers and then add 175. The third order. 456 plus 175 plus 378. 8. Here the numbers are same. 378 in this number, here also 378, in this also 378 is there. Next 175 is here, 175 also here, and 175 also here. 456, in this number 456 is there, in this number also 456 there, and in this number also 456. That means in these three additions the numbers are same, but they grouped differently. Here 378 and 175 is grouped, and then add 456. Here 456 and 378 are grouped, and then add 175. In this 456 and 175 are grouped, and then add 378. Let us see what is the answer of these three sums. First do this addition. 378, 175. Take plus symbol, ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Add ones place first. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 means take 1 as carry forward and write 3 here. Okay. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. Write 1 here, carry forward 1 here, and write 5 in tens column. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 1 is 5. That means we got 553. Add the answer of these two numbers, the addition, the sum of these two numbers is 553. Add 456 to this number. That means write the answer here, 553 and 456. Here ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Add ones column. 3 plus 6 is 9. 5 plus 5 is 10. Take 1 as carry forward in hundreds column, 0 under tens column. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. Here we got 10, means write 0 here and carry forward this 1 to thousands place. This is 1000. Finally the answer is 1009. Next, up to here this one is complete. Up to here this one is complete. Now look at the answer of this side, this sum. Now we have to add 456 and 378. 456 and 378. Take plus symbol, write the places, ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Now we have to add ones column. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 means take 1 as carry forward in tens column and write 4 under ones column. Now we have to add tens column. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 means take 1 as carry forward in hundreds column, write 3 under tens column. Now we have to add hundreds place. 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 3 is 8. The sum of these two numbers 456 and 378 we got 834. We have to add 834 and 175 now. 834 and 175. Take plus symbol, ones, tens, hundreds. Now we have to add ones column. 4 plus 5 is 9. We got 9 under, we write 9 under ones column. 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7 is 10. So take 1 as carry forward in hundreds column, write 0 under the tens column. Now we have to add hundreds column. 1 plus 8 is 9 plus 1 is 10. That means write 0 under hundreds column, take 1 in thousands column. We got the answer 1009. Here also we got 1009. Okay. Let us see what is the answer in third column. Okay. First we have to add 456 and 175. 456 and 175. Add these two numbers. Ones, tens, hundreds. We have to add ones column. 6 plus 5 is 11. Take 1 as carry forward in tens place and take 1 in ones column. Next, 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 7, 13. Carry forward 1 to hundreds place, take 3 under tens column. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 1, 6. We got 631 here. Now we have to add 631 and 378. 631, 378. 1 plus 8, 9. 3 plus 7, 10. Carry forward 1 to hundreds place, write 0. 1 plus 6, 7 plus 3, 10. The answer is 109. Finally, the answer of these three sums is remain same. 1009 here, 1009 here, and again 1009 here. That means if we group the numbers, if we add 3 or more numbers, we can group the numbers in any manner. We can group the 3 numbers in any way. Okay. This is grouping property of addition. This is known as grouping property of addition. Once again, I read the property. While adding 3 or more numbers, the numbers can be grouped in any way. The numbers can be grouped in any way. The sum remains the same. Okay. Now, the next property is addition of 0. We already discussed about two properties. The first one is order property and the next one is grouping property, and now addition of 0. The third property is addition of 0. That means if we add 0 to any number, the number remains the same. Okay, if we add 0 to any number, the number remains same. For example, take a single digit number 9 plus 0. We have to add 0 to 9. What is the answer? Again we got 9. That means if we add 0 to any number, the number remains same. Look for one more example. 962. 962 plus 0. We add 0. We add 0 to 962. 662 plus 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. 6, 9. Again we got 962. That means if we add 0 to any number, the number remains the same. This is addition of 0 property. Okay. Addition. Now addition of 1. Addition of 1. If we add 1 to any number, we got the successor of the number. If we add 1 to any number, we got the successor of the number. Okay. Now take any number like 7. 7 and we add 1 to this number plus 1. We take 7 and we add 1 to this number. What is the answer? 7 plus 1 is 8. We know that 8 is the successor of 7. We know 8 is the successor of 7. If we add 1 to any number, we got the successor. Here we take 7 and we add 1 to 7. We got 7 plus 1 is 8. Here 8 is the successor of 7. This is addition of 1. Take one more example. 896 plus 1. Write in columns 896 and take 1 in 1's column. Add these two numbers. 6 plus 1 is 7. 9 come under 10's column. 8 under 100's column. We got 897. What is the successor of 896? The successor means after number. What is the after number of 896? 897. We got that 897. This is addition of 1. If we add 1 to any number, we got successor of that number.